So why are you guys renovating your home?
We've been here for a while, and we both got high-paying jobs with the government.
Yes, and we love this location, so we aren't moving, but we just need a change.
Yeah, we built a lot of equity into the house, and we've been talking a lot lately about maybe adding a larger shower with a jacuzzi, maybe even a little home theater in the basement with a bar.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and don't forget the dog shower.
Yeah, we want to put the dog shower where our laundry is and move the laundry upstairs. Mm-hmm. I mean, they're not even ours, but they're darn cute.
Oh, yes. Oh, they're so cute. Don't you just love dogs?
If I had to name them, okay, I would name that one Mr. Snuggles, Sir Jeremy. I don't know about that third one.
Well, you know, we love eating spaghetti every Friday night, so how about spaghetti?
He is
Isn't that
kind
the
of ugly
cutest
looking.
name?
And
We're gonna cut here. Wardrobe, can I get you in? And Lauren, you're gonna adopt a kid. And John, more modest upgrades. You can start whenever you're ready.
Oh, okay, I wasn't sure if you're gonna ask a question. I'm gonna be a father.
That's right. Yes, we did some relief work for the Red Cross last year after Hurricane Matthews, and we really connected with some of the victims. And since then, we stayed in touch with the families and supporting organizations. And now, we are super excited to announce that we are in the process of adopting a young girl. Her name is Rose Merlene. Oh, would you like to see a picture?
No, that's okay.
And really, we just want to provide her with a special place. Our home is older, we need to replace the windows, larger closet space, and definitely a new facelift.
That's right. Yeah, we don't want to feel like we're at our grandmother's place.
I think this really brings a higher purpose to what we do and what we believe in. Before, a lot of our decisions were really independent and self-motivated. And now, I think we're becoming much more educated.
Yes, we're just so excited to get this renovation completed and begin this new journey in our lives together.
Perfect. Super cheesy. Everybody's gonna love it. And we're wrapped. Good job, guys.
But you know what the problem is? When we go away, who's going to take care of them?
Oh, well, what about my Aunt Winifred? You know,
Her?
she's great with dogs. I mean, well, I know she raises sheep, but dogs and sheep, same thing, right?
I guess.
Kinda, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sturdy enough. It's not picking up.